Welcome to the best picks. The best Kickasserole dish is probably one of the most versatile and flavorful casserole dishes on the market, perfect for elevating your culinary creations from simple weeknight dinners to impressive holiday feasts. Its unique design and high-quality materials ensure even cooking an effortless cleanup, making it a must-have for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a kitchen novice, this casserole dish will quickly become your go-to for creating delicious and memorable meals. Number 5. 3-pack ceramic baking dish. It features colorful stone patterns and a non-slip design. The durable, professional-grade ceramic construction ensures long-lasting use. This set includes 3 sizes, a large one for casseroles, a medium for meats, and a small for salads or fruit. They're perfect for everyday family meals. We've improved the packaging with thick foam and secure wrapping to protect it during shipping and minimize breakage. The double handles provide a secure, heat-safe grip. Its smooth, non-stick surface is easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. It's a beautiful addition to any kitchen and makes a wonderful gift. Contact us if you have any issues, we're here to help. What we like? It comes in 3 different sizes to suit various needs, and the unique colors add a touch of personality to your kitchen. If you're looking for a versatile and durable baking dish set that's also visually appealing, this is a great option. It's perfect for families who need different sizes for various dishes or for those who appreciate a pop of color in their kitchen. What people say. 3 really useful sizes that stack and take up very little storage space. Super easy to clean and make my table look beautiful. They look good and feel sturdy. Easy to clean. Number 4. Let's make memory stoneware. Show mom how much you care with a personalized gift from our stoneware collection. It's perfect for the experienced cook or someone just starting out. Choose her favorite color, red, navy, or teal, and add a name for a truly special touch. Customize it to make it extra meaningful. It comes in a variety of sizes and shapes, from a lasagna dish to a utensil holder. Find the perfect piece or set to suit her needs. This is handcrafted from high-quality ceramic stoneware. It's durable and safe for the dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and oven. Looking for the perfect Mother's Day gift? This personalized stoneware is sure to be treasured for years to come. It shows you put thought and care into choosing something special. What we like? You can personalize it with a name, making it an extra special gift. It's made from high-quality stoneware, ensuring durability and longevity. If you are looking for a unique and thoughtful gift for a loved one who enjoys cooking, or if you want to add a personalized touch to your own kitchen, then this is the perfect choice. What people say. High quality, rich color. The perfect size and great to use for special occasions as it was well designed in a conversation piece. Beautiful deep blue color and heavy. Number 3. Rossallini Stoneware Casserole Dish. This Italian stoneware bakeware will make your culinary creations look as delicious as they taste. Your dishes will be the star of the show with its beautiful and durable design. It's safe for temperatures from -65°F to 500°F. The non-porous enamel finish ensures even heating and easy cleanup, making it perfect for any occasion. Each piece is handcrafted, making it one of a kind. Use it for serving, baking, or even as a beautiful centerpiece. It's safe for the dishwasher, microwave, oven, broiler, grill, and freezer. The durable finish resists chipping, cracking, and staining. With its generous size, it's perfect for baking large portions of lasagna, casseroles, or your favorite dishes. The handles and lid knob provide a secure grip. What we like? This one boasts a large capacity, perfect for feeding a crowd. It's incredibly versatile, suitable for oven, freezer, and microwave use. If you need a durable and spacious baking dish for large family meals or potlucks, this is an excellent choice. Its versatility makes it perfect for everyday use and special occasions. What people say. The stoneware material ensures even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked dishes every time. Stunning and deeper than the standard 9x13 Pyrex casserole dish. Bonus are handles for ease in lifting and a lid to keep things warm. This is perfect for potlucks and beautiful enough for the dining room table. Number 2. Ceramic Casserole Dish. This stunning casserole dish is more than just a kitchen tool, it's a statement piece. Its versatile design makes it perfect for all your baking creations. Notice the beautiful navy blue and white design. It adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen and complements any style. With its spacious design, it's perfect for large family meals or impressive desserts. The possibilities are endless. Looking for a thoughtful housewarming or birthday gift? This casserole dish is both practical and stylish, making it a perfect choice. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this dish will help you create culinary masterpieces. It's durable and easy to clean. It's perfect for casseroles, lasagnas, and more. Made from high-quality ceramic, it's built to last. What we like? This casserole dish is a perfect size for smaller meals or side dishes. Its fun design makes it a great gift for bakers or cooking enthusiasts. If you're searching for a cute and practical gift for a friend or family member who loves to bake, this is a great option. The smaller size is also ideal for those with limited kitchen space. What people say. Kickasserole is written on both sides, which I was happy to see. Also, it is really well packed. Nice quality dish, great color. Inscription. Packaged well. I've received many compliments on the dish and it certainly makes cooking more entertaining. Number 1. Let's make memories casserole dish. It's the perfect gift for the home chef in your life. They'll love using this beautiful dish to serve up their culinary creations. Make it extra special. Personalize it with a custom message, up to 25 characters, in your choice of navy, red, or teal. This versatile dish is ready for anything. It's safe for the dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and oven, up to 450 degrees. It's handcrafted from high-quality ceramic stoneware. The navy and red options have braised bottoms, while the teal boasts an iridescent glaze and edging. All measure 14.5 L x 9 W x 2.5 H inches. Looking for the perfect present? This baking dish is a thoughtful and useful gift for any occasion, Mother's Day, birthdays, weddings, or just because. What we like? It offers the option of personalization with a custom message, making it a unique gift. It's crafted from premium stoneware, ensuring durability and even heating. If you appreciate personalized items and need a versatile baking dish for everyday use, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who like to add a personal touch to their kitchen. What people say. Shipping was quick and the quality is nice. I wasn't sure how this would be, but it exceeded expectations. Lettering is etched in. It's not printed. The dish was beautiful, well made, and the color was unique. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.